The flu season usually starts to peak in November and can continue through April. Here at Milton Hershey, steps to prevent the spread of the flu have already begun. By now, all students have received the seasonal flu shot, and staff members may receive it from the school on a first-come, first-served basis. Here's where the school stands on the H1N1 or swine flu vaccinations.
We currently are registered with the Pennsylvania State Department of Health as a moderate priority, and we do not know when or how much vaccine we will receive for the H1N1 virus, and certainly our students would be first priority.
Since the outbreak of the flu last spring, Milton Hershey has been proactive in the prevention and identification of the H1N1 virus. Test results, which could take 48 hours at an off-campus site, can now be seen in just minutes.
We now have the capability on our on-campus lab to conduct what's called a rapid screen. So within 10 to 15 minutes, we will know if a student has tested positive for flu. It does not differentiate between regular seasonal flu or type A flu, but it is sufficient for us then to begin treating as if it is a type A flu.
Generally, someone is contagious one day before symptoms appear, and they continue to be contagious until 24 hours after their fever subsides without the aid of fever-reducing medication. Here are a few simple steps that you can take to help prevent the spread of the flu. Use a tissue to cover your cough or sneeze. If you don't have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your sleeve and not your hand. Keep your hands away from your face. Avoid touching your mouth, nose, or eyes. Wash your hands with soap or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Stay at home if you're sick.
Again, consistent with CDC guidelines, we really don't want staff returning to work until they are without a fever for 24 hours without the aid of any fever-reducing medication.
On the fourth day that you are sick and out of work, you will need a doctor's note prior to returning. MHS policies require that you contact your supervisor daily if you are out of work due to illness. The goal is to keep the school open and operating by isolating flu patients. This step should help lessen the spread of virus on the campus. For more answers to your flu questions, check out the flu Q&A on the MHS intranet.